Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
2012 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front, on-off road, convertible soft top, tires, rear, on-off road. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.